Hello, friends. Let's talk about plans. What are you going to do? I am going to read a book. I am going to draw, look.